Xeroform Petrolatum Dressing 5x9BX50 is a versatile medical product that is impregnated with 3% bismuth tribromphonate in a petrolatum blend. This unique combination makes it both deodorizing and astringent, making it ideal for a variety of wound care applications. The sterile peelable foil pack ensures that the dressing remains free from contamination, while the non-adherent properties make it gentle on the skin during removal. With a size of 5x9 inches, this dressing is large enough to cover most wounds and provide ample protection. Whether used in hospitals, clinics, or at home, Xeroform Petrolatum Dressing is a reliable choice for promoting healing and preventing infection. Trust in the power of this medical product to keep wounds clean, dry, and on the path to recovery.